It's so simple. Open the app. Scan the QR code. The titrant info is written onto the bottle cap. The complete info about your titrant is transferred to the OMNIS software. Have you ever mistyped the batch number of your titrant? With OMNIS and the ChemiSphere app for Sulpelco reagents, good laboratory practice just became easier. This is how it works. Mount the bottle cap onto the bottle. Open the ChemiSphere app. Scan the QR code on your titrant bottle or Titri pack. All the relevant data is transferred to the app. If you want to, you can see the certificate of analysis and safety datasheet inside the app. Next, hold your device to the OMNIS bottle cap to transfer all relevant data on the RFID chip. Connect the bottle to your OMNIS system. Now, all your titrant data is in the OMNIS software and you're ready to start your titration. Download the ChemiSphere app and never import wrong titrant data into your OMNIS system again.